Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox my new AirPods Pro. This is Gen 2. So this is going to be an unboxing only video, but I'm also going to follow up with the actual review once I use it for at least a week. I'm comparing it to my really beat up AirPods 2. This is Gen 2. I go through about one of these per year because I use it so much every day, and I do software development and also construction, or I guess commercial development. It gets really beat up. I don't even want to show you what it looks like inside. It's pretty nasty, but yeah. So let's get going with the unboxing. So this is pretty exciting. I haven't had a new AirPods for a long time, but I had an iPad that has kind of like similar unsealing, kind of like this is the Apple way of unsealing a box. So I still hate the fact that AirPods or any Apple products kind of have to open this way, and it's sometimes so tight that you have that pop-up suction that can throw the product out. Anyway, designed in Apple, California, Apple AirPods Pro. Okay, so this is probably the user manual and a lot of other languages, whatever. Warranty summary. I think you get 1 year warranty only, and if you get the Apple Care Plus, I forgot for how much, I think $29, you get an additional 1 year into 2 years. Alright, so let's put that in. Alright, I'll deal with that later. Alright, so there it is. That's the product, and you can pick it up with this tab here. I'm not going to open it yet. I'm going to see what else comes in the box. There's a little tab right here, which is pretty interesting. Oh, okay, so you have that tab. It allows you to lift up this whole piece, and underneath it actually it comes separated like that. And let's see, how do you open this thing? Okay, so it opens like that. And wow, okay, there you go. These are the earbuds. I have a tendency of losing these in the past, and ever since I got, oops, there you go, they just pop out. Ever since the Apple AirPods Gen 1 or Gen 2 came along, I really prefer not having these gel thing or silicone cups, whatever you call it, because I really care about being able to hear the ambient noise, and I don't like that fully enclosed feeling. So this is my first time going back to this type of like suctiony thing that really seals into your ear canal. I haven't been using it for at least, I would say at least 3-4 years. I think AirPods has been around that long. So anyway, I'm going to be giving it a try. Next is the cable. Oh, okay. Unfortunately, this is still using, no, hang on a second. Oh my God, yeah, it is still using the lightning adapter. I don't like that. I don't know why. I mean, this is a pretty new product. I wish they would have just been done away with the lightning and just be doing USB-C. So this one side right here is USB-C, but as you can see, this side right here is lightning cable. So this is definitely one drawback of the AirPods Pro. This is Gen 2, and I think everything should just be standardized with USB-C. I love Apple product, but sometimes their proprietariness and they're playing their games with this proprietary BS is really driving me nuts. All right, so let's open up the actual product itself, so it unseals, and I think it has to be slide out from the bottom. Yep, so it slides out like that. There you go, and there it is. So there's one button at the back, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. There is one LED in the front, and there is one hole here and 3 holes on this side. I think there's a speaker now. Alright, so that's what it looks like inside. Nice and clean. It made some kind of sound. And let me pop out one of the... Oh, it's actually pretty hard to get out. Okay, yeah, that's a lot more challenging to get out than the AirPods 2. So even my first experience right now has not been great. I'm going to be comparing a lot of things with the just most popular AirPods 2. Yeah, so picking this up, it's not as easy as the AirPods 2. AirPods 2, you can clearly grab it, and it's really easy. So this one will take a little bit getting used to. See, the charger connector is about the same, even though right now the contact doesn't go all the way, I think, but it seems to work great. Okay, still have that same satisfying snap of the cover, which I really like. It has like a little plasticky smell that usually doesn't come with Apple products. Alright, so there it is, and let's look at the bottom of the box. Of course, I drop it. Alright, so 2nd gen, all the different languages that say 2nd gen, address, nothing. So it's very simplistic or minimalist. That's it. The box that really doesn't have anything else. So takeaways here: disappointment with the Lightning. It does come with one ear gel cup thing already installed, but it also has extra small, small, and large. So I guess medium is on. And I think that's it for this video, for the unboxing. Please stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can see how I compare between the AirPods Pro and my AirPods 2. And this is my 3rd or 4th AirPods 2 that I have, so I'm really familiar with AirPods 2, and I really in love with it. And there's a lot of good things about the AirPods Pro 2nd gen that really entice me. The noise cancellation, the ambient noise, transparency. I mean, again, you know, so this is my first time moving away, so this is going to be, my next video is going to be really interesting, how I compare this really in depth for a lot of phone calls, a lot of music playing, etc. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please give it a thumbs up so it can be discovered by many other people on YouTube. If you like my content and would like to subscribe to more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.